Hi, so today I'm going to making slime. You will need a bottle of Elmer's glue, 1 tablespoon, but we are using something smaller and just putting 2 because it's not clean. A spoon, eye contact solution, some baking soda, and a bowl. So, A on food coloring if you use white Elmer's glue, which you can. So first you just need your mixing bowl, your spoon, and your Elmer's glue. So you can open the top and do it, but that will take too long. So we open the cap, like the big cap. I can see purple in it. And we're using purple. I think I should have shaped it. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you can throw that away.
If they had white.
And if you have white, you would put food coloring in and mix it up. But we have this. So you are going to take your baking soda and take a tablespoon, I think it is.
1 tablespoon?
I could scrape it at the top. Pour it in. And we're doing 2, but you would use the big one.
A half tablespoon.
This is a half tablespoon.
2 halves make a
Whole. Okay. And then you're gonna, well, don't make that. Then you're gonna mix it up until it is all dissolved. And we tried this with red glue, so when we put the white in and stirred it, it turned pink. There's big chunks of it.
mash it.
Surviving. I've got a lighter purple. Ooh, so pretty. Okay. And then you're gonna put eye solution until it, as much as you need until it all comes together. So I'm gonna start.
What do you start with? Just a few drops?
Just like a little tiny bit, spray a little in. It's really coming together actually, if you can see. I think I'll go put a little more in. And this is what it does to make it all together. More. That's hard to close. And when it starts sticking to itself and not the bowl, you can, oh gosh, I'm not ready, but take it out and start playing with your hands. And first, it will be messy. Oh, I didn't get all of it out. Can you put a little more in?
Sure.
Go. Ooh. Working. Can I have a little more?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think that's enough because it's starting to get like wet. And once it starts getting off your hands, I'm going to do the rest of this. But it will start coming together like this, and you'll have a really cool slime. Thanks for making slime with me.